Well, this tutorial requires pretty basic skills, but a lot of patience since it takes almost a full day to prepare. No time to apply though. The money went into some materials, but not overly extreme. Let's start off with the crown, and we're gonna do that with some basic aluminium foil. Create a little headband if you will. So fold it, wrap it around that head until it fits perfectly, just like that. And when that's done, you just whip out your clay. Yep, there it is. And this is light clay, so it doesn't weigh 2,500 tons. Simply wrap that clay all around it. Make a nice, smooth surface out of everything. And also shape that front piece that goes a little bit downwards and front and center on the forehead. As you'll see, there we go. Next up are the fingers for the crown, and we need to create fingers, skeleton fingers that is, which of course have a few joints, so we cut them up in pieces and then use regular toothpicks to attach the pieces together. And look at that, a perfectly functioning finger, almost. Anyways, alright, so make a few of them. And what's not shown here is that we need a few that are extra large to attach to the front and center. So don't forget to create a few of them extra large. Alright, so we just sink those toothpicks straight into the clay there, and they stick nicely in place. After that, we left all those fingers and the headband to dry a little bit overnight. And then it's time for the three-pronged spear here from our Hades tutorial. And we're gonna decorate it the same way with that pearly clay as a starter to give it some texture around the edges of the fingers there. And then we go in with more details. And of course, you can create anything you like here. Use whatever stuff you got. We also found some pretty cool tiny little skulls that we added. Looks pretty cool. And when that's done, it's paint job time, and of course it's gold. That's the theme for this look. All gold, and there you go. Now it's time to get busy with our corset pieces here. Also, spraying them gold color. And then it's time for the never-ending project, the creation of all the fake feathers. And this is actually a sort of a fabric kind of material we're using here. Fake leather on one side and gold on the other. So, alright, these fake feathers, or leaves if you want to call them that, are basically cut out, like a simple shape here. And to make them look feathery in the distance there, simple, tiny cuts into the middle. And we actually had to bring in an expert, because we didn't really know how many you need to create of these. It takes time. And your wrist gets sore. And now for that answer on how many of these you need.
Billions and 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 billions.
Alright, not sure you got that, whatever that bozo said. We need a lot of them, like billions. Alright, so more fluffy textures. This fabric is going to be used extensively as well on the dress. So let's get to it. One feather in place. 2 feathers in place. How many do we actually need here then? Well, probably the same amount, I would say. I'm creating a super wild dress. In Swedish is jag skapar en prålig klänning. And as you can see there, it's folding, it's gluing, it's folding, it's gluing to get that nice shape. Yep, there it is. And now onto some leaves again on the outside of that. And at this point you probably know why it takes almost a full day to actually prepare this look. Because you have to glue so many times.
Billions and 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 billions.
And with billions of things glued to that corset, you are actually ready. One awesome looking crown and one amazing looking dress. This is a bang outfit. It came out really, really good. Both Elli and I love this creation, really, and I'm sure Elli's gonna wear this pretty soon at a Halloween event. See you. Love you.